Okay, so I'm going to show you what the door's doing. So here it is coming down. Needs clean. It's a little smoother. Okay, so I'm bringing it back down because I want to show you. Yeah, it's hard on these wheels. I gotta get some of this dirt off this track. So when I disengage this here, here's the notch, which I took even more out. So I'm disengaging it, and it drops it. See? And then when I go to lift the door here, that's it. I got about 10 inches, and it stays there. But here's the problem. It's getting hung up on the back side. So the thickness of the door is messing it up. All right, so what's going on there? So that's why. But it works just fine as long as it's not disengaged. But that's what's happening.